Welcome. In this video, I will briefly explain how to turn your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X into a desktop PC. So let's start with the small steps. First, press the Armory Create button to open the command center and switch your control mode to desktop right here. Next, of course, in order for our device to become a desktop PC, we're gonna need a keyboard, which is absent here, like a physical one, and the mouse too. But the problem is we only have two USB Type-C ports. This one is Thunderbolt and this one is a regular USB Type-C port. So what do we do from here? Well, I recommend using this port to create a dock station. Well, not create, but you connect a dock station like this one to this port. As you can see, this one has an Ethernet cable port, two USB Type A's. It also has another USB Type-C 3.0. It has one for power delivery, though we're not gonna need it now, since I think this one will be the best choice for power delivery to your device, unless you want like two dock stations. And it also has an HDMI port, so that we can connect an external monitor to this device. So let's use our Thunderbolt port, which allows us better speed transmission to our device. Just connect it to your device, and now let's connect a mouse and the keyboard. You can connect both of them using, for example, these two USB Type A ports, but I have just a single dongle to connect both of my peripherals. Since they are wireless, I'm using the Logitech. Not sure what model this is. It's a pretty old keyboard, but it's wireless and it's cheap and it works. What's most important, and it works with this device. What's even more important, and also the mouse. Once you connect the mouse, you will start seeing the pointer on your device's display. So now basically the two things we're lacking is the power supply. So just use your charging cable, connect it to the other into the other port, so that your device gets a stable power supply. And then on your dock station, I highly recommend connecting an external monitor. Well, since this monitor is quite inconvenient to use by itself, I highly recommend connecting an external monitor using an HDMI port. Now, if your monitor doesn't support HDMI connections, you can use an additional adapter. So just plug in one side of the HDMI cable into this port, plug in the adapter into your monitor, and then plug in the other side of the HDMI cable into the adapter that's in your monitor, and make sure that your monitor has a power supply to it. And now next, we're gonna need to change the projection type so that we can see the display of this device on our external monitor. And what you have to do for that is either use the combination of Windows and P buttons on your external keyboard, or on your device press either M1 or M2 buttons, and holding it down, press X button. This will open the projection menu, and in the projection menu you can use the duplicate or second screen only, so that you can see the display, so that you can see your Windows screen on your external display or external monitor. And basically, starting from here, your device is fully functioning desktop PC right now, as it has a keyboard, it has a mouse, it has everything, all the hardware inside this machine. And you have I didn't know if I mentioned the monitor, but yeah, and you got a stable power supply. So now you can start using your device as a fully functional desktop PC. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.